Kamehameha is real. I just shed on my pants. But it's real. Kamehameha is real.
Just ordinary guys with random thoughts.
I worked on these lyrics for 7 months and 6 days. Now I'm gonna spit fire.
Just ordinary guys with random thoughts.
I talk to figurines a lot of time. I say things like, "Hey, what's a figurine?"
What's up, figurine? Just ordinary guys with random thoughts.
I watch wrestling. And now I'm Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan.
America! Hell yeah!
You better tap. Tap.
Yeah. So you can't afford paying $300 for a chair, and I've completely lost touch with reality that that's not typically the amount that you would pay. But can you do this?
Can your chair do this? Boom. Me. Have you ever asked yourself why every content creator on YouTube has to say, "Hey, smash that like button, share the video, and subscribe"? I like to sit like a frog.
Oh my god!
Actually, this.
If you're watching this video, you're probably bored, just like everyone else. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the weird side of YouTube. Instead of watching a snake eating another snake, you watch me. When I watch anime, why? I wish I'm an anime characters. Nani? Nani これは? Nani でしょ? こいつ. I collect Dragon Ball cards. I know, it's pathetic. What's the thing with fidget spinner? What? This one? Or this one? This one? Or this one? This one? Or this one? This one? I'm a geek.
Gently.
Sometimes I eat ketchup for no reason at all.
Eating ketchup for no reason at all, yeah. When I'm bored, I draw. And I make drawing videos. Just like this one. I love brown color for some reason. I choose the hair with a lot of brown.
Are you serious with me right now? This is not one of the drawing videos, okay?
It's quite good.
This is a different type of video. Why are you showing this? Why? Why?
A lot of brown.
Go back to the clip. Go back to the clip now.
In the face. Drawing video are very hypnotizing. I don't know why.
The other day, I met this beautiful girl that I have a crush on, and she said, "Where have you been?" I said, "Thank you," and I run. Sometimes I think, why do they make gun look so damn cool? Maybe if they color gun pink, there will be less gun and there will be no violence. When I feel sad, I read your comments over and over again. Look at the comments. Oh my god. First! So funny. So funny. Oh my god, so funny. Oh my god. You go, girl. Oh, look at that dress. You look beautiful. You go, girl. Whoop, 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 whoop. I can't believe you're still watching this. Why are you still watching this? I love you. Sometimes people need to hear that. I love you. For no reason at all. At this point, some people will want to say, what the hell am I watching? You are allowed to say that. Just for this dramatic effect. There's one time, a plan. I think I'm a genius. I have one plan. I thought, I'm gonna make a channel and play video games. How about that? Oh, he did it back! He did it back! And I'd be a millionaire. So I did that. Alright, what's up you guys? Back with me again, RUSMIX live. Yes, today we're gonna play Brawlhalla. In 3 months, I earned 0.67 cents. And then I quit. You're not funny! You made me cringe! You made me cringe! Stop it! Stop it! Today, I saw a raccoon. He's mocking on me. He said, "You stupid, with that little raccoon arms."
Leo, what's up?
Ah!
He's so cute. What's up, my boy? What's up, my boy? Say hi. I'm a kid.
It's time to read your comment and do you a shout out. Listen to me, guys. The way
Yo, hold up right there, bro.
works,
I thought this video
just
is
read
about
the comment. I
your
don't have to
sketch,
shout
your
out
storytelling, bro.
each
Why is this a part of your video, bro? What are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
Dude, this is the standard protocol, dude. Helping other channel, dude. This is his standard protocol. You understand?
Alright, I'm gonna read a comment by Alan Way. Bruh, gonna like your drawing till the day I die. Later, if I became a ghost, I will sure try again. Try to like them again. You're so talented. Oh my god, Alan Way, that's so sweet. Thank you, man. Thank you. Someone commented on my videos that he or she was looking at your videos and someone ended up in my channel. And I like it. Subscribe to me. So that only means that being your friend is the best thing that anyone can do. Not only we learn, this is a long comment, but I love it. Not only we learn how to draw.
Can we get back to the video, bruh? Bruh, I have attention span of a duck, bruh.
Our channel. Thanks. A lot of time, I feel very lonely. Wait. Hello? Wanna go out? Wanna hang out? No way, man! I'm busy! I've to clean my room, bye!
Parking his third.
Time, I saw ghosts. And then, I turned my head to the back. Oh, shit. Is that raccoon again? It's just a...
Soft, you know, like bring me some happiness. Alright? Alright, that's stop filming me. I'm telling you, if you film me, I do move like that. Do I have to do move like that? Seriously? Excuse me. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
Just want to show you the fool that is going to edit this video. Come, check this out. Check this out. This guy right here. Bro, why do you make me do this, bro? Bro, why do you make me do this, bro? Why make me edit all this? Why do you make me edit all this? This is a long video.
Another video that you can enjoy. Just click. Seriously, click it. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting for you to click. Oh, shut up.